Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Cavalier have taken third place in the Red Stripe Premier League following a 1-0 win over Mount Pleasant Football Academy at the National Stadium a short while ago. Now, Cavalier got the winning goal thanks to a strike from Alex Marshall in minute 41.
The ranking stretches for it, still with Cavalier. Alex Marshall giving himself space. Alex Marshall finishes. The opening goal comes in the 41st minute. It was sweetly taken, wonderfully struck, and the celebration matches the finish.
Again, Ronaldo, it was coming like my bills at the end of the month, it was coming.
Value $1 million, so I mean, we're happy to have that, you know, so it makes me feel better. You know, we only scored one goal from set player header. We only scored one header. So definitely we were short in some areas of the game and we didn't defend set plays very well. But otherwise, it's a pleasing season. And I think by the end of the season, as you see today, we're able to just knock the ball around as well and keep it.
It's not the right thing to happen to us, but knowing that we have players that are already in the Premier League, we're a new team by name. But third, we are going to work with third for now, and next season we're going to work on it.